G'day guys, welcome back. Today we're using the stiff Rodney Bream basher to use these little cicadas for chasing bream in small creeks. I'll show you how to do it.
Dust on the road, muzzies buzzing loud, heading bush bound, nowhere near a crowd. Grab my hat, slap on some spray. Today's the day, yeah, today's the day.
These bream, they're liking the man-made structure in this particular creek. So what we're doing, we're just casting the cicadas in there and slowly tweaking them back and hoping we get a bite. So just like that, and a pause, and a long pause too. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4. And only rolling it 10, 15 centimeters. And they're eating it right at the end of that pause. So hopefully we'll be able to get one.
Line in the water, time slowing down. Phone's got no signal, best place in town.
Hopefully we can get one of them to eat.
Oh, go! Get him, Zach! Get him out! Get him out!
Wind in the reeds, reel starts to scream. Heart skips a beat like a summer dream.
Oh, not a bad one.
Sweet.
So nice little 35 centimeter bream, gets the heart pumping.
Hey, just me, the river, and the stiff Rodney
Bream basher.
today.
There we go.
Australia style.